Welcome to the Migrating to Azure Data Solutions course. This course will help you determine if Microsoft Azure is the right technology for your company. There are many different options to store data in Azure. This course will not only show you what these options are, but we will also be covering how to implement these technologies. My name is Shane, and I will be your instructor for this course. I'm the founder and developer of Midwest Streams, a technology solution that helps funeral directors webcast their services. In 2017, we migrated our hosting from a local hosting provider to Microsoft Azure. Before making the migration, I had some of the same questions that you might be having, such as, where should I store the data? How do I migrate the data from my current servers to Azure? What are the costs of moving to Azure? And most importantly, why am I even moving to Azure in the first place? We will be answering all of these questions in this course. If you're watching this video, you are probably considering storing some sort of data in Microsoft Azure. The Azure landscape is vast and presents you with many different options to store data. When first getting started with Azure, the numerous options can feel overwhelming. This course will break these options into 3 categories and show you how to get started with each of these. We will also be covering the numerous benefits of hosting your data with Azure. We will also be discussing some of the drawbacks. So what are these 3 types of data? Basically, any sort of data can be stored using one of these 3 methods. First, we have our SQL database. SQL database is the oldest and most popular way to store data. Azure provides a couple different options for SQL databases. In this course, we will show you how to create and manage SQL databases. We will also be going in depth showing you how to move an existing SQL database to Microsoft Azure. Then we have our non-relational databases. These are a way to store schemaless data. Azure has a unique way of handling non-relational databases through their CosmoDB tool. If you are currently storing your data with a tool like MongoDB, this course will show you how to implement your current data to Microsoft Azure. Then we have blob storage. Blob storage is used for using your assets. If it doesn't fit in the database, it will live in a blob. The most common use case for blob storage is storing images, videos, PDFs, documents. You can think of blob storage like Dropbox, but with a couple more features. The course objectives for this course are fairly simple. I will be showing you how to familiarize yourself and navigate through the Azure portal. We also want you to have an understanding of the option that Azure has to store data, and choose which data option is the best for your business. Finally, we want to give you a good starting point of how to begin migrating your existing data to Microsoft Azure. Now, this course is tailored for IT managers. IT managers will find this course interesting because it's usually the IT manager who is weighing the pros and cons of different hosting solutions. They're usually the ones who will be tasked with the responsibility of overseeing the data migration. After watching this course, IT managers should have the ability to decide if Azure is the right data storage provider for their data needs. Then we have business managers. This course will help business managers understand what costs are associated with Azure and will also give them the tools to have a high-level understanding of how Microsoft Azure works. Finally, we have our developers, database administrators, and network engineers. These are the individuals who will be tasked with the actual data migration. Although this course will not be technical, this course will teach you where to start. As mentioned before, the Azure landscape is huge. If you are a developer or a network engineer, this course will serve as a starting point so you know what Azure has to offer and where to focus your studies on what makes sense for you and your company. The prerequisites are fairly simple. There's only 2. This course is not technical, but having an understanding of how databases will work is helpful. Finally, you need to have access to the Microsoft Azure portal. You can sign up for a free account on the Microsoft Azure website. Again, my name is Shane, and I look forward to seeing you in the first lesson. Thank you.